this reading, we will going to have general reading. Okay. So before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform and visit the link in the bio and the comment section, my loves. Meron ditong wolf, meron ditong loyalty, support, friendship. So, ibig sabihin, ang energy na to is more on, sabihin natin, umiikot sa mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo. So, nandito din, lumitaw din dito ang ating the fish or yung abundance card natin. Pertains to wealth and finances. So, more on mga positive, favorable ang ating nabubunot for joy. And dito, lumitaw dito yung, okay. I hear na malaki ang factor ng friendship loyalty dito sa energy mo. Right now, or in the coming future, my loves. Nandito yung ating wolf. Pwedeng, my loves, kung ikaw ay dumana sa isang betrayal, or ikaw ay involved sa group of people, friends man yan, friendship man yan. Kasi meron ditong loyalty. Pwede, may loves, na yung mga friends na yun is medyo hindi mapagkakatiwalaan when it comes to your abundance. Pwede ding, my loves, spirits are telling you na mag-ingat sa mga taong lubos ng pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Kasi nandito yung burden. Nandito yung cross card natin, my loves, lumitaw yung cross card natin. So, kung ikaw, my loves, ay involved sa mga taong kagaya nito, mag-ingat. Pag-ingatan mo ang mga wealth mo, mga plans mo for your wealth, for your finances. Kasi lumitaw ang wolf at cross dito. Kumbaga, yung ating final or future energy is mayroong conviction suffering. Pwede, my loves, na because of this friends na pinagkakatiwalaan mo ng lubos, look at the wolf kung saan siya nakatingin, sa fish, my loves. So, ibig sabihin, they are after with your finances and abundance. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, spirits are telling you, giving you sign na masyadong magtiwala, magkaroon ng healthy boundaries, or maging cautious when it comes to your friends. Maaaring ikaw yung taong palakaibigan, mabilis magtiwala sa mga kaibigan. Pwede, my loves, ka nun. Kaya kung ano man yung mga pinaplano mo na i-share mo sa yung mga friends, medyo limitahan mo yon kasi meron ditong burden. Pwede din na because of your friends, maapektuhan ang iyong mga finances and wealth and also your blessings. So, may pagkakataon na baka meron kang mga karmic na alam niyo, madadamay ka, karmic ties with your friends na ginawa, or may kasalanan ng friends mo, pati dahil friends mo sila or kasama ka, belong ka sa group na yon, pati ikaw ay madadamay. May pagkakataong ganon at iyon ay magiging magkakaroon ng malaking epekto sa iyong finances. So, mag-ingat din doon, my loves. So, dito, ito ay binibigyan ka ng sign na pag-ingatan mong mabuti ang iyong finances and abundance, lalo na sa mga taong nakatingin. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, may mga nakaabang sa iyong mga blessings, and ito ay lumitaw sa iyong wolf card. They are after with these finances and abundance. So, hindi naman masama na makipag-friends, pero spirits are telling you na limitahan. Okay, limitahan, or kung meron ka mga plano na related sa yung finances, huwag mo yung i-open up sa yung lahat-lahat, huwag mo yung i-open up sa yung mga kaibigan hanggat maaari. Sarilinin mo muna. Okay, let's see more. Clarifier and more about this energy. Okay, so the moon card, yes, my loves, confirm. With the moon card, meron talaga dito. Pag lumilitaw ang ating Moon card. Look at the Scorpion sa moon. Ito ay kumbaga isang indikasyon ng betrayal, my loves, decisiveness, and masasabi nating insecurity. So dito, my loves, meron nga lumilitaw na taong unsupportive, alam mo yon, ato, look, princess vibes sa'yo, pwedeng ganyan, fairy godmother mo, pero deep inside, they are the wolf after your fish or abundance. What more? My loves, meron kang mga parang nararamdaman. Your subconscious are telling you about that, pero hindi mo yon pinapansin. So, kumbaga, this reading is confirming you na talagang merong taong okay. And you have to stand your ground. Maging, my loves, protective and defensive. Protective and defensive when it comes to your finances. So, standing up your beliefs. Kung meron man silang sinasuggest na sa tingin mo ay hindi makakabuti sa'yo, stand your ground. And ito din, my loves, be more protective. Tingnan nyo yung ating 7 of Wands, kung paano siya nagiging defensive. So, ibig sabihin, nakatapat siya dito sa yung fish. Pangalagaan mo ang iyong finances. Maaari din na may mga taong nagpapanggap na mabuti sa'yo, pero ang kailangan lang pala sa inyo ay resources. So, you have to stand the ground. Kung hindi, halimbawa, kung hindi mo na siya kayang pautangin, pagbigyan, stand your ground, my loves, okay? And for our future, okay, so dito, my loves, Knight of Cups, romantic proposals, my loves, pwede din dito sa creative expression, may lilitaw din sa'yo, or so sa overall natin, because of the Knight of Cups, pwedeng merong lumapit sa'yo, mag-approach, magpahayaga ng kanyang nararamdaman. So, ito is more on romantic proposals, pero my loves, the warning also here is about the cross. So, lumitaw dito sa romantic proposals and the burden card or suffering. Mag-ingat din sa mga taong pwedeng mag-approach sa'yo as their admirers. So, pwede ding you are being charmed by someone. So, dito din, may labos, wag agad-agad nagpapaniwala or wag magpapabulag when it comes to the charms or yung mga, sabihin natin, kasi may dating affection na lumitaw dito and also the suffering and burden. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, be more attentive sa red flags. Okay? Kung meron mang magpapahayag dyan. Okay. So, let's see for our random cards. Tingnan natin what okay. Believe in, okay. So, kung meron ka mga loves na itinatanong right now, kung meron kang katanungan, it's a yes. So, believe, implement, and solve. Kung meron ka mang kinakaharap right now, today, it's a yes ang sagot from spirits. And dito, my loves, power wash your energy. Okay? So, with our Herkimer Diamond, alam mo kung paano nabibuild ang diamond, my loves. So, dumadaan muna yan sa mga challenges bago maipakita ang sparks. So, power wash your energy. Also, you have to be more highly sensitive. Be more highly cautious, my loves. So, di nakatapat yan sa standing your ground natin. So, ibig sabihin, you have to take back your power. You have to take back your power. And someone wants you, I dream about a future with you. Pwede din dito yan, nakatapat din, my love, sa ating romantic proposals. Confirmation na meron talagang nag-a-admire sa'yo, my loves. So, spirits are telling you, be more cautious about this. Pwedeng seryoso itong person na to sa'yo, but they are still wounded. May pagkakataon pa rin na maaapektuhan ka. And with our Sapphire, my loves, find your tranquil place. Kung saan ka makakakuha ng peace of mind and solitude, doon ka, my loves. Pero kung sa tingin mo, burden and problem lang ang dadalhin sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo, let them go. Okay? And you receive this new solution and beginning. My loves, kung meron kang kinakaharap na problem ngayon, the double confirmation, nandyan ang solve. You will going to solve that. And you'll survive this, my loves. Kung meron ka man challenge right now na kinakaharap, you'll survive this. So, new solutions and beginnings, my loves. Kung meron man chaotic energy na pumapaligid dyan sa'yo, kasi 2 times na lumitaw yung solve. So, my loves, you'll survive this. Believe in, okay? And now, kung meron ka mang mga major na questions na gustong malaman, my loves, let's see kung ano. Ay, my loves, teka. Nasilip natin yung romantic proposals. Sa love natin, okay, yung love natin. Tingnan natin ang ating love portion. Okay, for our love portion, okay, competent, requirements, task, challenging. Okay, so dito, my loves, maaaring ang maging challenge mo, itong person na to or love na upcoming for you is medyo challenging. Pwedeng hindi mo siya kayang i-resist agad-agad, my loves. So, dito you are being challenged. And pwede din, my loves, na itong person na to or yung darating sa'yo, yung love life na to requires lots of efforts, my loves. Okay? So, upcoming blessings naman for you. Let's see. Oh, so dito meron talaga, ayan o, with our Dalili. Maaari din, my loves, your upcoming blessings is your spiritual path. I also hear dito, ma-i-express mo ng for being you. Alam niyo, ma-i-express nyo ng maayos your kindness, morality, and virtue. I hear na you are the blessings or the main blessings or focus of your blessings right now is yung magkakaroon ka ng alignment for what yours. Okay? What more? Oh, the ship, travel then, may mga upcoming travel then, my loves, the journey itself. So, ayun nga ni kanina, di ba, nabanggit ko kanina, the alignment, andyan din ang journey. And also, your big blessings, also the travel. Pwede din merong mga upcoming blessings, like travel na mag-e-enjoy ka at mahanap mo ang iyong sarili. And, protection, my love, with the clubs. So, dito, my loves, I hear na, if you are dealing right now sa opposition and drama and also conflict, malalagpasan mo yun. Isa yun sa mga blessings na darating sa'yo. You are going to let go the drama in your life. Okay, so kung meron kang mga katanungan pa, so, my loves, i-focus ang yung energy. Kung meron ka pang mga katanungan, yes or no, kailan, here are the messages from the spirits. Okay. It's a no. So, kung ano man yung katanungan mo sa isip mo right now, it's a no. Forgiveness. Kung meron ka man na hindi kayang palagpasin right now, forgiveness is the key. So, you have to forgive them and let this drama go. A year from now, lahat ng mga blessings, lalo na yung focus ng energy na na-resonate natin ngayon, a year from now ay maa-accomplish mo rin. Or kung ano man may loves yung nasa puso mo na tinatanong mo kung kailan, a year from now. So, the final card for you. The final card for you is the cow. My loves, I hear na you are a nurturer person. So, you are, sabihin natin, alam mo yung napaka-caring na person. That's why spirits are reminding you to stand your ground. Kung hindi mo na kaya, kung nakakadrain na ng energy. Hindi lahat ng tao ay obligasyon mo, my loves. By the embrace of all that is nurturing you awaken in all that you are becoming. So, ibig sabihin din dito, my loves, you deserve, ikaw ay sobrang caring and nurturing, pero deserve mo rin yun, my loves. So, again, may the embrace of all that is nurturing you awaken in all that you are becoming. So, dito, my loves, spirits are telling you, andiyan ka na. You are in alignment with your purpose, spirituality, and goals. Huwag kang susuko, my loves, and let go the drama. Be more attentive sa red flags, my loves. Mapa love life man yan, or mapa friendship. Okay? And that's all for your reading. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one.